The late model low mile trend continues with this 2017 Harley-Davidson FXDB. Late model 2017. Where do you see the number of miles that aren't on it? 736 miles as of right now. Color is black denim. Engine's a 103 twin cam. Transmission is a 6-speed. 1-year-old bike, under 1,000 miles. Seriously in perfect condition. And would look better in your garage than it does here in our studio, no matter what you park it next to. And is available for test rides 7 days a week at North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos.